Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Signal account. So if you want to log into your Signal account, first of all open up your Signal application, and after opening your Signal application, tap on continue. After tapping on continue, tap on next, and then allow Signal to access your contacts and allow Signal to make phone calls. And after doing that, you have to enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number, tap on continue. After tapping on continue, Signal will send you a 6-digit code to your phone number. After tapping on OK, Signal will automatically fill your 6-digit code. Now you have to enter a 4-digit PIN which you have created for your Signal account, or you can also skip this process. So after entering your 4-digit PIN, tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, here you can see you have successfully logged into your Signal account. So this is how you can log into your Signal account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.